DaVinci Resolve is a great video editing program that you can download and install for free. Go to DaVinci official website, link is in the description. Just hit download and choose your operating system. Download this left option, which is free, on the right is paid. Quick register on their site. Register. Start to download. I'll fast forward this. To install, just extract from the zip file and run it. You can leave components as they are. Choose where you want to install. Okay, type resolve and run it. Allow private access to networks. This is it, a quick video about how to download and install DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day!